Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my April 2020 IPSY GLAM Bag Ultimate unboxing. I'm so excited that this arrived. I taken precautions, sanitized my box, and I'll have to make sure to wipe everything down that's inside of this because you know we are being as careful as possible these days to not get any germs. But I am really excited that this is here. This always brings me so much happiness and I love doing my unboxing videos with you all. So let's get into this. If you are not familiar with IPSY, it's a monthly beauty subscription service and there are 3 different price point levels that IPSY offers. This is the highest price point, the Glam Bag Ultimate, which retails for $50 a month. I also get the other 2 versions, the Glam Bag Plus and the regular Glam Bag, which I will of course be doing my unboxing of those once they get here. But let's see what I got in my Ultimate. These boxes can sometimes impress me, but sometimes I can be kind of let down. But let's just hope for the best with this box. So here is the makeup bag. Ooh, this is cute and I like this shape. It's big. Sometimes the glam bags in the Glam Bag Ultimate are not that big, but this is great. And it has cute little details on the zipper. So I like this one. Adorable. And I did get a card with no product information. Some people, it looks like, still get product information. I honestly haven't gotten product information card for the Glam Bag Ultimate in many months now, and I miss it. I wish they would just send it to me. So I don't understand why they stopped. So it looks like the theme of this month is flowers. So let's pull out this little product here, which looks kind of dirty, but this is Dr. Oakham's Cica Peptide Cream. I am not familiar with this brand or even what Cica Peptide is, which is why I'd really like to have my product card to get more information. But I'm hoping that I won't get too much skincare in this glam bag because I am way stocked up on skincare and I want makeup because makeup is my passion. I try out a new makeup product every day and I do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in my IPSY Glam bags. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on those videos. But that's why I'm always hoping for makeup and less skincare. Like that's a product that I just pulled out that I'm not even super excited about. But let's keep going. This one here, kind of open. Looks like the brand is Lavido. Pomegranate seed oil, lemon and macadamia, 2-in-1 purifying facial mask and exfoliator. Masks are another thing that I told IPSY that I don't want more of. Oh, it's kind of stuck. I can't even take it out. But this is a brand that I have not heard of before. And it's really important for me to exfoliate my skin because it gets really dry. So I love masks and I love exfoliators. So I will try that. But like I said, let's get to the makeup. Oh gosh, so okay, well this one here is from the brand Verb. It's Ghost Hair Mask. Weightless, soften and restore, deep condition. I like a hair mask. I don't have that many of them. So, okay, this might be the product that I'm most excited to use. And then I'll pull out Yensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil, THC-free 8 super oils. I've been getting a lot of Yensa brand products in IPSY, and I like this brand. They have really good ingredients. Let's check it out. That's pretty. You know, I have never used a CBD product. I wonder if this actually has the CBD effects. It says CBD oil calms skin and helps reduce redness, which I do have a lot of redness. Well, that's cool. I'm excited to try this. Sounds like it'll do a lot of good for my skin. It's supposed to be moisturizing, clear out acne and clogged pores. It has so many different super oils in it that it's supposed to be really great for the skin and target a lot of different issues. So that's pretty cool. But all skincare so far. Oh, now this looks like makeup. This is beautiful packaging. This is from the brand IPSY Beauty Enlighten Eyeshadow Palette. I've gotten some little singles products from IPSY, which are really nice. But I'm excited to have a full palette. Let's check this out. This packaging is so gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. The colors. It's so pretty. Lots of shimmer and sparkle. I see maybe 2 mattes, but that's okay. Wow, this is so beautiful. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm really excited to try. Oh, I'm definitely going to be doing a video on this right away. I can't wait to play with this. Oh, I think this might have been the product that I chose because IPSY lets you choose one product for each of your glam bag, and I'm pretty sure I chose all eyeshadow products for the month of April. And then, ooh, from the brand Real Her. I really like this brand. It's such a nice motivational brand. I've got some other products from them and they put really amazing affirmations on the products, so it's very empowering. And this is the Cheek Trio. I can't really remember, but I think this might have been one of the choice options and I almost chose it, but I was hoping that they would still send it to me. And so I'm really happy that they did. Ooh, pretty. It kind of has like a marble effect. Nice packaging. Oh, I love it. You get a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush, and all of these shades look so pretty, like shades that I love. Oh, I'm really excited about this one too. All right, my mood towards this box has really turned around with these last 2 palettes. I'm really excited about those. And then here, Il Makiage. I love that brand. I use their mascara every day. Ooh, it's a long wear eye pencil, but it's in the shade Hero, which I think is a navy blue. I've tried out the Il Makiage liquid eyeliner as well, which is also really good. But I haven't tried out the eyeliner pencil, and I'm glad that it's in a shade other than black. Ooh, that'll be fun. Oh, okay, this is getting good. Next, ooh, this is from the brand Miele, which I know them because I got a brush set in IPSY last month, but I have not tried out any makeup products, and this is Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. I didn't know that this brand made makeup. I thought they maybe just made makeup tools, but you know what? I think this is actually the product that I chose as an add-on because I get a bunch of IPSY points, which if you're not aware, you can get IPSY points by reviewing and rating all of the products that you get in your glam bags each month, and when you get friends to sign up through your referral link, which I will have linked in the description down below. And then you can redeem those points for free products, and this is what I chose as my free product. And it's like a lip crayon, so that's exciting. I didn't even realize it was a brand that I was familiar with when I ordered it. And then this, Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer. I don't know this brand, but I love the idea of a vitamin C primer. I love trying out primers, and vitamin C is such an important skincare ingredient. It helps brighten the skin, get rid of dark spots, and this looks pretty. It looks kind of shimmery, so yay! Another product I'm excited to try. And then, ooh, a little tiny sample, but it is sugar lip polish, so I guess you only use a tiny bit. Ooh. It's pina colada scented and smells really good, like coconutty, from the brand Niu Body. I don't know them, but I have very dry lips, so I love a lip scrub and a lip polish, so this will be great to try. I feel like I got a lot of products in this. Then, oh, this is another product. This is the Trestique Mini Lip Glaze Set, but it's another product that was one of the options that you could choose that I wanted to choose, but I didn't, and I was hoping that I would still get it, and I did, and I'm so excited. I have tried out a Trestique little pencil eye set before, which is good. I like the brand Trestique, but this is awesome. Mini Lip Glaze. So there's 4 lip colors and lip pencils. Oh, I love that. This is right up my alley. I really think this might be one of my best IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate boxes ever. Still 2 more products. Is this a full-size perfume? This is from the brand Kenzie, which I've tried out the perfumes from Kenzie before because I got them in my IPSY bags. Yes, this is like a full-size perfume. I love this. I kept wanting to get more perfumes in my beauty subscription boxes, and this is my first ever like full-size perfume. This is the Life Beat. Let's see. Don't have any perfume on today, so let's try it out. Oh my gosh, I love this. It smells very nostalgic to me. They say that smells can be tied to memories, and this seriously like brought me back to like being in high school. It smells sweet. I love it. Oh my gosh, this just made me so happy. It really does smell like sweet and not even that florally. It reminds me of like going to the mall when I was younger, and I would probably wear way too much perfume, but I just love the smell of it. I love it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, this officially is my favorite IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate box I've ever gotten. And then the last product is a makeup product. It's from Ciate London. It's the Triple Shot XXL Mascara. And Ciate London is a brand that some of the products I've tried out, I love. Some of them, not so much. So I'm excited to try out this mascara. I love trying out mascaras. Here's what it looks like in the packaging. It is a big product. But wow, I got so many great things that I'm really excited about. I got mostly makeup, which is awesome. So let me do a quick recap. We'll start out with the Yensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. Then I got the Levido 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator, the Cica Peptide Cream, the Verb Ghost Hair Mask, the New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish, the Miele Tinted Lips. Oh, this is like an add-on, but that's okay. I'll still count it in my Glam Bag Ultimate. The Kismet Pure Vitamin C Primer, the Kenzie Life Beat Perfume, the Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara, the Il Makiage Longwear Eye Pencil, the Real Hair Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio, the Trestique Mini Lip Glaze Set, and last but not least, the Enlighten Eyeshadow Palette, all in my really cute glam bag. So how many products did I get? I'm really curious. Oh, I got the 12 products. That's the normal amount to get in a Glam Bag Ultimate. Then I got 13 counting my add-on. So it's the normal amount of products, but it seemed like so much more, probably because I think I got more full-size products. I only got, if these are non-full size, which I'm gonna say that they're not full size, same with the lip scrub. I think I only got 3 sample size, unless this vitamin C primer is also considered sample, but these are not small sample size. So maybe it feels like I got a lot of products in here because I got so many big products. Wow. I'm really, really happy. I would love to hear in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products, what your thoughts are on them. And of course, if you get an IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate, I'd love to hear also what you got in yours. And I find it so cool when we're box twins. So let me know if we got the same products. And like, I just can't get over this smell. If I want to be happy, I'm just going to spray this perfume. Like, how cool is that? Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you're all staying safe, staying healthy, just hang in there, do the best that you can. And I would love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you in my next video.